When it comes to boosting your home's curb appeal, the exterior lighting you choose can make all the difference. In Plano, where homes range from traditional designs to modern architectural styles, creating an inviting, stylish outdoor space is essential. One of the most impactful yet often overlooked ways to enhance your home's exterior is through outdoor LED soffit lighting. These lights, installed beneath the eaves of your roofline, add both subtle charm and practical functionality to your home. In this article, we'll explore how outdoor LED soffit lighting can transform your Plano home's curb appeal, improve visibility, and increase security, all while being an energy-efficient lighting solution that enhances your property's value. Subtle and elegant ambiance. Outdoor LED soffit lighting is a great way to create a subtle, ambient glow around your home. Installed along the edges of your room, these lights are designed to blend seamlessly with your home's exterior, offering a soft wash of light that accentuates the architectural features of your house without overwhelming the space. Unlike harsh floodlights, soffit lighting provides a warm, inviting atmosphere that highlights the beauty of your home after dark. For homeowners in Plano, where seasonal changes and neighborhood gatherings make outdoor living an important part of daily life, the soft illumination of soffit lights creates a welcoming environment. Whether you're hosting a dinner party on your patio or simply enjoying the evening with your family, the gentle glow from soffit lighting elevates the ambiance and makes your home feel more inviting. Highlighting architectural features. Your home's architectural features, whether it's a grand front porch, detailed brickwork, or unique roofline, deserve to be highlighted. Outdoor LED soffit lighting is perfect for drawing attention to these features, enhancing your home's design and making it stand out from others in the neighborhood. The placement of soffit lights is strategic, ensuring that your home's lines and contours are illuminated from above, adding dimension and drama to your exterior. Whether you have a craftsman-style home with intricate woodwork or a contemporary home with clean lines and glass elements, soffit lighting can be tailored to suit any style. This lighting not only highlights the beauty of your home but also complements the landscape, making your home feel more cohesive and polished. Increased visibility and safety. While soffit lighting is undoubtedly beautiful, it also plays a functional role in improving your home's visibility and safety. If you have walkways, steps, or driveways near the perimeter of your home, soffit lights can illuminate these areas, making them safer to navigate after dark. Whether you're coming home late from work or having guests over, proper lighting around your home's entry points ensures that everyone can easily see where they're going. Moreover, by highlighting your front yard and exterior, soffit lighting increases your home's overall visibility at night, making it stand out in a sea of dark homes. This added visibility can act as a deterrent to potential intruders, contributing to your home's security and peace of mind. Energy efficiency. One of the biggest advantages of LED soffit lighting is its energy efficiency. Traditional incandescent or halogen lighting can quickly drive up your electricity bill, especially if you leave them on for extended periods. However, LED lights use significantly less energy while providing the same level of brightness, which makes them a more cost soffit lights are designed to be long-lasting, with some models offering up to 50,000 hours of illumination before needing to be replaced. This longevity makes them a practical choice for homeowners who want to reduce both their energy consumption and the frequency of replacing light bulbs. The savings on energy bills can add up over time, making LED soffit lighting a smart, sustainable investment for Plano homeowners. Weather resistance for longevity. Living in Plano means dealing with varying weather conditions, from hot summers to cool winters and occasional rainstorms. Outdoor lighting needs to be durable and able to withstand these changing conditions. LED soffit lights are built to be weather resistant, with many models designed to be waterproof, dustproof, and able to endure extreme temperatures. This durability ensures that your lights continue to shine brightly throughout the year, regardless of the weather. Unlike traditional lighting that may be prone to rusting or fading under harsh conditions, LED soffit lighting retains its functionality and appearance for years. This reliability is another reason why soffit lighting is such a great choice for Plano homeowners looking for low-maintenance, high-performance lighting. Adding value to your home. In addition to improving your home's aesthetic appeal and functionality, outdoor LED soffit lighting can also increase the value of your property. Well-designed exterior lighting is a sought-after feature for potential buyers, particularly in a community like Plano, where outdoor living and curb appeal are important.
Stand up and testify.
When prospective buyers see that your home has been thoughtfully illuminated, it creates a positive first impression and contributes to the overall appeal of the property. Moreover, because LED soffit lights are energy efficient and long-lasting, they make your home more appealing in terms of future savings and maintenance. A home with upgraded lighting can make your property more competitive on the market, providing you with a strong return on investment. Conclusion: outdoor LED soffit lighting is a powerful tool for enhancing your Plano home's curb appeal, security, and energy efficiency. By adding soft, elegant lighting that highlights your home's architecture, improves visibility, and saves on energy costs, soffit lighting creates a welcoming atmosphere that will last for years to come. Whether you're looking to make your home more beautiful, safer, or more sustainable, outdoor LED soffit lighting offers a smart solution that delivers on all fronts. If you're ready to elevate your home's exterior, consider installing LED soffit lights and enjoy the many benefits they bring.